Hi, this video I'm going to tell about the introduction about natural language processing as well as what are the various steps in natural language processing. First, I will tell about what is NLP. So NLP it stands for natural language processing, which is part of a computer science, human language, and artificial intelligence. In the diagram, I have mentioned all the three uh, major parts. One is it is a part of computer science, a part of a human language, and a part of a artificial intelligence. And why we use NLP is it is a technology used by machines to understand, analyze, manipulate, and interpret human languages. So all of us know computer understands only the machine language. It does not understand the human language. Human language may be in various languages. It may be in Tamil, it may be in Telugu, it may be in Hindi, it may be in French, it may be in German. So it may be in many languages, but computer understands only the machine language. It does not understand the human language. So to convert the human language into machine language, we use the NLP. So it is a technology used by machines to understand, analyze, manipulate, and interpret human languages. It helps developers to organize knowledge for performing tasks such as translation, that is machine language translation, automatic summarization, named entity recognition, speech recognition, relation extraction, and topic segmentation. So what is NLP? So NLP enables computers to understand and interpret human language. As I told already, the user can give only human language to the system. So computer does not understand the human language. So with the help of NLP, it enables computers to understand and interpret the human language. So while the computers excel at processing structured data, normally computers excel at processing the structured data such as spreadsheets, that is Excel, or databases. Natural language normally in unstructured form. For example, you take text, you take speech. So these and all in unstructured form. So this is this presents a unique challenge. So with the help of NLP, it bridges a gap by allowing machines to process and understand human languages, and making it an essential tool in modern AI systems. Now these are the steps for NLP: sentence segmentation, word tokenization, lemmatization, predicting parts of speech, that is POS, stop word removal, dependency parsing, and co-reference resolution. You will see one by one, step by step, how it will process. First one, it is a sentence segmentation. So sentence segmentation, it is a first step in NLP, natural language processing, which involves breaking the text into individual sentences. So this helps the computer understand the structure of the text. Here I am giving the example. So in this example, I got two sentences. First sentence is San Pedro is a town on the southern part of Ambrygis Gai in Belize. That is a sentence number 1, and according to estimates, it has a population of 16,444. So sentence segmentation means splitting the sentences into individual sentence. For example, so as I told, sentence number 1 is the first sentence: San Pedro is a town on the southern part of the Ambrygis Gai in Belize. Second sentence is, according to estimates, it has a population of 16,444. This is actually the sentence segmentation. Next step is word tokenization. So step number 1, we are dividing the sentences into individual sentence. Next one, we are going to tokenize the word. What is word tokenization means? It divides the sentences into smaller components called tokens. Normally, in lexical analysis in compiler, we heard this word tokens, and here again the same thing we use here. What we are going to do is we are taking the text from the sentence, and that will be divided into tokens. And these tokens are crucial for understanding how a sentence is structured. For example, here San Pedro is a town in place. This is a sentence, and now I am going to divide into tokens. So these are the different tokens. San, the first one, that is token number 1. Fedro is a town in Belize. So these are the different tokens. Step number 3 is predicting parts of speech. What is meant by POS? Normally, it is shortly called as POS. So what is POS means? POS tagging involves identifying the function of each word in a sentence, such as whether it is a noun, it is a verb or adjective. This helps determine the role of each word placed in the context of the sentence. And this is an example. San Pedro is a town. Normally this is a input sentence, and what this will do is we are going to predict the parts of the speech. So here San Pedro, it is a noun. Is means it is a verb. Here means it is an article. Town means it is again a noun. And next step is lemmatization. What is lemmatization means? It converts the words to their root forms. For example, if you take the words buffalo and buffaloes, so both are lemmatized into buffalo. Okay, ensuring the variations of the same word are treated identically. Buffalo and buffaloes. What is the root word of these? Both the words are buffalo. So that is actually called as lemmatization. So example, there are buffaloes grazing in the field. So buffalo is a root word here. So here actually, what is the word we are taking here is, we are taking the word buffalo. Okay, buffalo is the word we are taking. Buffaloes we are taking. For that, what is the root word for this buffaloes is buffalo. And the stop word removal. Stop words, actually these are the common words that provide minimal meanings. So removing them helps reduce noise and improve the efficiency of NLP models. So those kind of words are called as stop words. For example, so this will provide a minimal meaning. The, and, these are stop words. So to removing the stop words helps to reduce the noise and improve the efficiency of NLP models. Next one, dependency parsing. So what is dependency parsing means? It identifies the relationship between the words, and with that it will create a syntactic tree. This helps understand the grammatical structure of the sentence and roles of each word. For example, San Pedro is an island in Belize. This is an example input. Here parse tree, how we can write the parse tree here is, first one, we have a subject, San Pedro. This is actually called a subject. And from that it will go to is. So is means it is a verb. Then island. Island means it is a subject. So like that we can write the dependency parse tree. So noun phrases group related words to represent specific concept. And next step is named entity recognition. So what is named entity recognition means? It identifies and categorizes entities such as people, places or dates in the text. For example, here I have a word. San Pedro is a town on the southern part of the island of Ambergris Gay in the Belize district of the nation of Belize in Central America. Here, what is San Pedro? So San Pedro, it is a geographical entity. Okay. So then again, Ambergris Gay. This is again a geographical entity. Belize district. This is again a geographical entity. Central America, again this is also a geographical entity. So we are dividing into different categories. In case any place, any peoples are there. For example, Ram is going to Madurai. So here Ram is called as people. What is the place here is Madurai. Suppose if it is mentioned, any date is mentioned. Ram is going to Madurai on June 30. So here, what is the date here is 30 June. That is a date. Next one, final is score reference resolution. So what is co-reference resolution means? It identifies when two or more expressions in a text refer to the same entity. For example, the word it might refer to the specific person or thing earlier in the sentence. So for example, San Pedro is a town on the southern part of the island of Ambigastale. According to 2015 mid-year estimates the town and the population of about 16,444. It is the second largest town in the Blaise district. So here what is it refers? So this it refers to the San Pedro. Okay, this is actually called as co-reference resolution. Thank you.